Hey, what's up everybody? So in the previous video we have discussed about some of the basic algorithms and machine learning techniques such as pre-processing, after that regression analysis and gradient descent, and one of the simple algorithm called linear regression, and after that is time series implementation. So everything data and code is available in GitHub right now. So I have created one repository in GitHub. So in that repository I have created pre-processing and all the details, the code that I have uploaded it. For example, in pre-processing you will have that Python notebook files from pre-processing from scikit-learn and from pandas. Scikit-learn and pandas, everything is updated code. So if there is some update code that I will find, I will update it again. So you need to clone it and download it on your local machine so that you can get updated. And this GitHub repo are also provided into the description of every my videos. So if you check, and if anybody will come and check the videos, I will provide it into the description here. So just go to that repo and just copy paste it and go to any type of repository, open the git bash. If the git is not installed, if you don't know the git command, go and check out my last video that I have explained in it, and download that spreadsheet and ppt that I have provided for you. So just hit git clone, and after that provide the link and hit enter. You will have that all the repository available to you. If there is something updation, you just have to write git pull origin, that is the name of that remote repo. You can also give it any other name, git master. Okay, so that branch is master, so that everything will get fetched and sync up with the current repo. Okay, so that's all. If there is anything that is updated, that I will update in here, or if that anything I will add it, that I will edit in here. Okay, so that's all from my side. If there is there's a lot of more video that I will upload regularly, so just keep please share this video so that people who are interested enough in machine learning and AI. And thank you so much for all the support, guys. Please share and please subscribe so that you will never miss another video. It is also better for me to motivate factor to upload more video in my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.